Welcome to the demonstration of NetSuite Work in Process and Routing. This is my NetSuite dashboard customized to my role as Production Manager. In this dashboard portlet, you can see my daily plan. Today, we'll be working with work order 558 for assembly FRM 200. Let's drill into the FRM 200 and review the routing information. Under the Manufacturing tab, we'll find the Manufacturing Routing subtab. Let's drill into the Manufacturing Routing. Here we've established our operation sequences, our operation names, our manufacturing work centers, our manufacturing cost template, the setup time for the operation, and the run rate. By clicking on the operation line, we can drill into the manufacturing cost template. Here we've established all the cost categories and other charge items associated with this operation step. Each category item combination establishes an hourly rate that will be absorbed across the actual time spent performing the operation. Let's go back to our manufacturing dashboard. Now, let's take a look at work order 558. Here, we can see that this work order has been scheduled based on the manufacturing routing we reviewed, the work order quantity, the scheduling method, back order forward, and in this case, the production end date. When we look at the Operations tab, we'll notice that the final operation, Operation 50, ends on 7/6 at 4 p.m. Based on the routing rates and the work center calendar for the associated work centers, the work order's been backward scheduled so that Operation 10 must start on 7/5 at 2 p.m. Because this is a released work order, we can begin to report production activity against it. The first step is to issue components. In this case, we're issuing 540 linear feet of SLC 200 to this work order. When I save the work order issue and review the GL Impact tab, we can see the value of this inventory moves from its inventory asset account into the WIP account at the GL level. Next, we'll go back to our work order. Now we're ready to record our production results. We'll do this by selecting the Enter Completion button. Then we'll select our starting operation and our ending operation. Next, we'll enter the quantity that we completed. Notice the machine setup time, labor setup time, machine runtime, and labor runtime have all defaulted based on the standard times established in the routing. If operations have taken us longer or shorter, we can update the minutes spent before saving the completions. Once I save the completion, I can review the GL Impact tab. Here we can see how the appropriate costs have been moved to the WIP account for our assembly. If we've completed the last operation of the work order on this completion, we will see the inventory value move from WIP into the finished goods asset account. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you have any questions, please reach out to your account manager.